You want to become unrecognizable? You want to look in the mirror a month from now and barely recognize the person you see? It's possible. It's more than possible. It's a decision. But here's the catch. This transformation won't come from a magical moment or some motivational video. It will come from the daily habits you choose to build. And if you're willing to commit, 30 days is all it takes to change your life. Listen closely. Right now, you're stuck in your own routine. You wake up, you go through the motions, and you repeat the same mistakes. You're not disciplined enough to break free from the comfort zone. You're addicted to distractions, to laziness, to excuses. But what if I told you that in 30 days, all of that can change? What if I told you that you can wake up every single day feeling like you're actually in control, finally in charge of your life? Here's how you do it. 1. Wake up early every day. It's simple but powerful. Get up before the world distracts you. The first hour of your day is the most important. Don't waste it on your phone or in bed. Wake up early. Own the morning. The habits you build in those first 60 minutes set the tone for the entire day. 2. Master your body. Discipline starts with your body. Exercise is not optional. Get moving. Whether it's lifting weights, running, or stretching, just do something. Your body is the vehicle that will carry you through life. If you don't take care of it, you're sabotaging your success before you even begin. 3. Eat like a winner. Food is fuel. If you're putting junk into your body, you're going to feel sluggish, unmotivated, and weak. Start by cutting out the unnecessary, the processed, and the sugary. Focus on whole foods, meats, vegetables, nuts, fruits. Give your body what it needs to function at its highest level. 4. Set daily goals. You can't just float through the day. Set clear, specific goals every single morning. Small wins add up. Whether it's knocking out a work task, finishing a book chapter, or making a cold call, you need measurable progress. At the end of the day, look back at what you accomplished. If you didn't hit your goals, don't settle. Hold yourself accountable. 5. Train your mind. Your mind is your most powerful asset. If you're not feeding it with knowledge, you're losing ground. Read, study, learn. It's not enough to go through life with half knowledge. Fill your mind with the kind of information that will elevate your thinking, sharpen your decisions, and help you stay focused on your mission. 6. Eliminate distractions. The world is full of distractions. TV, social media, unnecessary noise. You need to cut it all out. The more you allow these distractions into your life, the more you're stealing time from your goals. Focus on what matters. It's time to eliminate the things that drag you down. 7. Build the habit of consistency. The key to everything is consistency. The problem with most people is that they start strong but fall off track when things get hard. That's where you're different. You show up every day, no matter what. If you do that, success isn't a matter of if, it's a matter of when. In 30 days, you'll look back and realize that you're not the same person. You won't even recognize the old version of yourself. Why? Because you chose to change. You chose to build habits that will carry you to greatness. You chose to take responsibility for your actions. But here's the truth. You're not going to change unless you make the decision right now. You can't keep telling yourself that tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow is a lie. There's no better time than today. Commit to these 7 habits, start today, and in 30 days, you'll be looking in the mirror at a brand new version of yourself. It starts now. Will you take the first step?